Hey y'all! So today we are finally taking the braids out. I've had them for about 3 weeks. The edges are crusty. We have so much product buildup. My scalp is flaking, so it's just time for them to come out. When you are doing this, please make sure that you do not, I repeat, do not cut your hair, and also take your time. Do not rush this process because you will regret it later on. The process usually takes me about 30 minutes to an hour when I have stitch braids. Now, when you get to your edges, make sure you are definitely being gentle and taking your time because we want our edges. I always use a Y2 comb and detangle as I go. And as you're detangling, make sure you're taking your time. Y'all, I do not know what was going on, but my hair was coming out. Even though your hair does shed a lot, I just forgot how much my hair sheds, and you can see it all in my face. Y'all, I had to show y'all, I'm not feeling this. This is not for me. Like, I've watched 36 minutes of it, and it's a no for me. Like, I can't get into it. I'm trying, but I can't. I don't know. I don't like it. And there's still about 40 minutes left of it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. TBD. And if you see me looking down a lot, I'm still watching The Nightmare Before Christmas. Y'all, I could not get into the movie. If you like this movie, let me know in the comments. Maybe I need to watch it again. Like I said, make sure you are detangling as you go because you do not want to put water to your hair while it's in this state. Y'all, it will be tragic. Okay, so now we are going to wash our hair. I'm using the Kenra clarifying shampoo and moisturizing shampoo. And then I'm going to follow up with the ApHogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. And yeah, I'm not about to pronounce the deep conditioner, but it's really good. Okay, so I blew my hair out off camera. I usually use a little Chi Silk Infusion serum on each section. The flat iron I'm using is the Fee flat iron. I've had it for years, but it does the trick. And y'all, I took a nap. I blew out my hair and then I went lay down because your girl was tired. And I'm still tired in my face. We got some tea to try to wake myself up while I start the process. So I usually part my hair into 4 sections and I always start in the back. I like to do little sections just to make sure that each strand is being straightened. I don't add a lot of products to my hair when I'm flat ironing it, just because you want that bounce and you don't want your hair weighed down. I do use the chase method, and for this method you can either use a rat tail comb or a brush. For my hair, I feel like the smaller the piece, the better the results are. And as you're going through your hair, make sure you are taking your time, you're not rushing. You don't want the flat iron on the same piece of hair for too long, but you do want to have some tension as you're going down the hair shaft. And PSA, I am not a professional, I just know my hair. Y'all, look at the grays, but we not mad. Starting on the other half of my hair. Y'all, look at the difference. That's crazy. I'm just parting my hair into two sections. And we vibing. I want to say I was watching Grease. Is that telling my age? Yeah, because we hopelessly devoted. Now, I will say that I'm thinking about investing into a smaller flat iron just to make sure that I'm getting my roots, like the back of my hair and my edges. I think it'll make it a little easier, but this flat iron actually does the trick, so I'm not in a rush. So yes, the chase method with the brush is my preference. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the rat tail comb or the boar bristle brush. I want to say the whole process from the start of me flat ironing my hair to curling takes about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I like to take my time. Okay, shine. Shine and bounce. Okay, let's go. The struggle of wearing glasses. If you know, you know. I probably look a little crazy, but I have to keep my glasses on to actually see what I'm doing because your girl cannot see. And then I realized my flat iron had cut off. I want to say there's like an auto shut off on my flat iron. All right, now we back in business. Yeah, it feels so good when you're almost to the finish line. I don't flat iron my hair too often, maybe a few times a year, but in the summer I typically don't flat iron my hair at all. So wintertime is when I like to straighten my hair, and I also get trims every 3 months, so my stylist will flat iron my hair to trim it, and it's about time for another one. The edges weren't really doing this thing, so I had to grab this electric hot comb. I can't lie, I'm really scared to use it, but I had to get the edges together. I was debating on dyeing my hair jet black, but we just gonna let the grays flourish. Now I'm just adding some curls, and I'm sure you can see the concentration in my face. Like, if you could use a flat iron to curl your hair, I commend you, because sometimes I have to go over the section a few times to even get a curl. But this time, one pass was enough. I just needed a little body versus having bone straight hair. Okay, curl. We are all done. Y'all, the results came out so cute. I feel like my hair was light and bouncy and shiny. It was given. I didn't have anywhere to go, so to keep my curls, I'm just gonna add these flexi rods in my hair, and this is how I sleep at night. So this is like my nighttime routine. I like to do flexi rods, especially if I don't want to add any more heat to my hair. And y'all, I don't use flexi rods often, so that's why I'm struggling. At this moment, I should have known. So you can see I used 5 flexi rods. I split my hair into 4 sections, and then I also put one at the top just for some extra body. I'm really trying to make sure this one flexi rod is secure. And of course we have to use a bonnet. I'm not going to sleep, but I just wanted to make sure that the flexi rods don't fall out. All right, this is the next morning. Now this curl just wouldn't act right. Look at it. But we got a little curl. I don't think I was going anywhere special, so I just needed a little body to the hair. I can always try again later. I try not to put a lot of heat in my hair, so flexi rods are my option. But I have thought about the hot curlers, so maybe I'll invest in some in the future. And that is it. If you have any questions or tips, leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all later.